One of the things that's, I don't know if it's underrated or is just not really discussed enough, really, is the way you add value, which is obviously what you want to do, whether you're starting a business, you want to add value to what you're delivering, or if it's a service, you want to add value. All the time, it's all about under promising and overdoing. So, what you need to do, you need to add value, and if you can do that and solve problems. Now, in my job career, I have really not realised that I was actually solving a lot of problems. So a lot of the stuff, I work in technology and it's dealing with situations where you need to deliver something, or there's a change request, or whether there's just a bug that needs to be resolved. Now, dealing with a bug is a prime example of solving a problem. There was a problem because something happened in the technology, whether it was a change, an update, whatever it was, which meant that there's a bug. So even really without even thinking about it, all the bugs that we solve in a sprint, as we've talked a couple of times on agile methodology, the way that you conduct your work, and it means that you're solving problems all the time, and it could be. And in that case, you're also adding value because you're sorting something out that needed to be fixed. And just a whole thing of adding value is enhancements. So you make a change to improve the system, and that's another way of adding value. So without me really thinking about it, it's actually my day in and day out job is actually to solve problems and add value. And someone said on one of the podcasts that I was listening to that once you do a problem and you solve it and you do it very well, your reward is a bigger problem and you need to do it well and solve it. So just something for you to think about. It's never an actual, oh, I finished that now. Now I get to do something else. Actually, you probably get the next biggest problem on the pile. So just be aware of that. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. To keep on marching forward and being successful is something that you do every day. You don't just do it once a week. So think about this when you're doing your job. Are you solving anyone's problem, whether it's internal or external, with clients or whatever, or do you add value? And if you do both those things, I'm sure you'll have a successful career, job or business. Please subscribe to me, please follow me, please retweet, please like, and if you've got any comments, let me know.